I would like to ask you a question about the fact that a journalist, Gabriele Nunziati, this week has been fired for asking a question here in the midday last 13th of October. So basically he asked whether the Commission considers that Israel has to pay for Gaza reconstruction as Russia should do for Ukraine's reconstruction. His press agency, Agenzia Nova, an Italian one, claimed that this question was completely out of place and erroneous question, and fired the journalist. So do you have any comment on this matter, which seems to me really related to the press freedom in Europe? Thank you.
Thank you for your question. On behalf of Paola, as Chief Spokesperson of the European Commission, this is what we can say. The European Commission attaches the utmost importance to freedom of the press. We demonstrate that commitment on a daily basis here in this press room, here at our midday press briefing. In relation to the case in question, the Commission has not been in contact with the media concerned. Questions on this specific decision should be addressed to that media. Follow-up.
Thank you. So at that time, Paola also said she had no comment to this question, so maybe after 1 month you have one. Does the Commission consider that Israel should pay for Gaza's reconstruction? Thank you.